Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. We went through another Thanksgiving and now there's leftovers. Lots of side dishes as well as a pile of turkey meat. Many might not like it, but I do because I can make other recipes like turkey zucchini boats, turkey croquettes, turkey tetrazzini, and others, including this one, Brunswick Stew. This delicious southern one-pot recipe is perfect to use up your leftover meat. Plus, it's easy to make. So let's get cooking. In a Dutch oven over medium heat, we'll add butter and oil. When it starts sizzling, we'll add our mirepoix, which is onions, celery, and carrots. We'll quickly saute the veggies and then season with ground sea salt. We'll saute the ingredients for 3 to 4 minutes before adding pressed garlic, some hot sauce, I'm using Valentina's, which is similar to Cholula, followed by my Creole seasoning, which you can get the recipe by clicking on the top right corner of your screen, then thyme leaves, and of course, freshly ground black pepper. We'll saute everything for just 1 minute. To this, we'll add tomato paste, and to salvage what's left from your can, click on the link showing up on your screen. Then we'll stir to coat. Next, we'll add a can of diced tomatoes, Yukon Gold potatoes, and low-sodium chicken broth. But vegetable broth is another option. We'll mix the ingredients until nicely combined, add a large bay leaf, increase the heat to high, and bring the mixture to a boil. We'll reduce the heat back to medium and simmer for 10 minutes. A few minutes later, we'll add a can of corn kernels, a can of Great Northern beans, but go on the blog to see other substitutes, and cooked turkey. To get my recipe, you know where to click. We'll stir well, making sure the potatoes are submerged because everything else is cooked, and return the mixture to a simmer. We might have to increase the heat again. When it gets there, we'll turn it back to medium and cook for another 10 minutes. When time is up, we'll add some Worcestershire sauce and barbecue sauce. I'm using my Kansas recipe, and yes, the link is on your screen. We'll stir to blend and let it cook for another 10 minutes, or until the potatoes are tender and the liquid has evaporated a little. Right now, it looks like a soup, not a stew. After 10 minutes, we can add an ingredient that is optional, and it's brown sugar. I make this dish with and without it, and both were fine. If the stew still has too much liquid, let it cook for another 5 minutes. When it's time to serve, we'll garnish with fresh chopped parsley. And my friends, this is our Brunswick Stew. This one-pot dish is so tasty and quite easy to make. This is a great recipe to use up your leftover turkey meat. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!